This obviously is my partner, Keith. We've been together almost 4 years, practicing law together, and it's enjoyable. I enjoy what I do for a living. I'm happy on Monday morning when I get up and come to work. And Keith, I want to ask you, I haven't had opportunity to have a conversation with you like this, but I'd like to ask you, why do you practice law? What is it that you enjoy about being a lawyer?
Well, I really enjoy helping people, and I like helping them resolve their problems. I've always wanted to practice in trusts and wills because I thought it was a great way to connect with individuals versus representing some big corporation. And I enjoy helping them get through their litigation, and I enjoy getting good results for them.
And how did you end up being a trust and estate litigation attorney?
I started in that area before I was even out of law school. I worked for an attorney who did that, and so I was a legal assistant in that area. And then after graduating law school, I continued working in that area and still do to this day, over 10 years later. And how about you, Stuart? Why do you practice law? What makes you get up out of bed every morning?
Well, as you know me better, but we're obviously doing this for more information about us. I like to fight. I've always been a fighter, not much of a street fighter, but I enjoy a good fight. Sometimes I wonder, am I fighting on behalf of my client because I like my client, or am I fighting because I enjoy to fight? And I think the end is the same. I like to think I fight hard for clients because it's very rewarding. If you'll remember, we recently got an email from a client after a 3-week trial, and the client was just thrilled. I mean, nobody had taken their case to trial for them. They hadn't done a whole lot of discovery for them, and we believed in their case once we understood it, and we took it to trial, and they sent us this email thanking us for everything that we did. And to me, I said to myself that afternoon, that makes it worth all of the hard effort, the sleepless nights, and just fighting hard to get a result for them. That's what they wanted. They wanted a day in court. We gave that to them. And hopefully, the judge is still taking the matter under submission, but hopefully we'll be on the winning side of that.
Yeah, we didn't just give them a day in court. We gave them 3 weeks in court.
It was long. One thing that I enjoy too is for some reason when opposing counsel or opposing lawyers, when they're rude and belligerent and awful, for some reason that energizes me and it makes me work even harder. And I really, I don't know that I enjoy the process of somebody being difficult or mean or unprofessional in my opinion, but it certainly gets my juices flowing. And I have clients ask me from time to time in our meetings, what are you going to do to keep those lawyers from pushing you around and bullying you? And I say, well, you'll get to know me as time goes by, and I'm not going to be pushed around. I'm not going to be bullied. On the other hand, I try not to be unprofessional back. I'm not always successful, but I do want to be professional in dealing with other lawyers.